What's going on, guys? It's Mickey here, Bak Jelau with other Jelaus, and we're on our way to Dakasi. Omat meh. Tuh. Aku beli PCR baru. Ngadai Bak Jelau te an mentah ngidang dan halti bandek syam maulai bangini syam mentah ka way ka episode jong kajing jong ki ABK Indigenous Production kajing plan nak nak mulai ukun patau te mentah ngidang dan halti bandek sepet longom no be with us
apa yang Abang sangat nangis. Cecai. Cak. Saya wanti lagi ni. Cak, nak wanti lagi. Ya. Jangan aja. Cecai. Ngadang samtia ngali me.
Nervous kami ngam tasi.
Nervous? Toilet warm up saya.
Exercise number one.
Number one. Let's go. Toh.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Nang ta. Number two. 1, 2, 3. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right.
Slow mo walk man.
Slow mo walk. Okay. Cecai. Sak.
Lak memang.
Kayak gemetar. Balik Pak. Cai. It's a surprise. Cai.
Under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
Hey girl from nông thầm mai lòng ní em nhìn ya lết cài ngà quen ya chinh xì xa ông đầy ba ngà su quen cài compare la nghi shot tăng đá y ca li ca mai saya thu ya ngà chan miết ya ca e ca ba pi rai oh cause it's the first time that I saw you I feels like my dreams comes true I want you by my side till the end of my life. Trong dapat na maulay long ni em ngin ya let kai tang basa ong kam kloy nang bangin nang ban le style na marka kam shimpor ban tembet ya u hairstyle hapan sapi sana ime ban yo let bam fried rice oh cause it's the first time that I saw you I feels like my dreams comes true I want you by my side till the end of my life
here we go
Siya ay ganyan lekay Naru ngam ng patay And the pila de perkat sa kolyang alasyan Oh, cause it's the first time that I saw you I feels like my dreams comes true I want you by my side till the end of my life